When you're considering doing a remodeling project for your kitchen, don't forget about the low voltage under cabinet lighting. This is a detail that can be forgotten till the end, and then it can be a struggle to get it in properly installed in the walls where it needs to go. As you can see behind me, we're doing the electrical wiring, and it's pretty common to put all the wires where they need to go for your appliances, for backsplash outlets. But this wire here, this is for your low voltage, and this needs to be run along with the electrical wiring in the rough-in stage of the project. So don't forget about your low voltage. If you put the wires in the wall, you'll be able to have a lot of options for your low voltage once all the drywall is installed, the cabinets, the countertop, and the tile backsplash. Then you'll be able to put lights in and really just make your whole project pop. For more information on remodeling, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.